Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be using rice water for the very first time on my hair. Why? Because I am trying to see if I can do anything about my postpartum shedding. I lost a lot of my edges after having my baby and some shedding around my head. I've been using oils for the last few months and I just want to see if rice water does anything. From the videos that I've seen, it's recommended to ferment your rice water for about 12 to 24 hours. Mine's been fermenting for about 48 hours because I was supposed to do wash day, but things got in the way, life got in the way, wasn't able to do it. I plan to use rice water on my scalp and my hair at least once a week for about a month. But before I start anything, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know when I'm posting another video. So let's get started. For week one, my first batch, I prepared my rice water with some long grain rice that I picked up from the dollar store. So first, I grabbed a plastic container and I placed a half a cup of rice in it, washed it. After washing my rice, I added 2 cups of clean, cold water, covered the container, and placed it in a dark cupboard to ferment for at least 24 hours. So basically, I'm 2 inches pretty much all around my head. Just for a background, I just did a clay wash on my hair because I wanted to detox and start with a clean slate for my rice water. Yeah, so let's just see what this is here. I just fermented. I shouldn't keep this uncovered. It smells like vomit. So I'm just gonna transfer 1 cup of that into this. That's how much I used out of that whole thing. All right, I'm just gonna cover it with a shower cap. And I got my little derby twist towel thingy here. And I'm gonna leave this on for about 30 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse and then I'm gonna deep condition. Yeah, so that's it. Pardon my rough appearance. So this is week 2 of the rice water challenge. I want to just give you guys an idea of what I did to prepare my rice. This is my rice here in this jar. I changed it up a little bit. So this is a half a cup of rice to 1 cup of water. It's been about 48 hours since I've had this fermenting. It should smell quite lovely. But this time I added 5 drops of peppermint oil just to see if it kind of masked the smell a little bit. I forgot to mention last week that for this rice water challenge, I'm not using any kind of hair growth aids, oils, shampoos. So I'm gonna shampoo my hair, then I'm gonna get to my rice water, then deep condition, then I'm done for the week. I wanna see what it smells like. I'm gonna do this on camera so you all know. So my plan for this, I only need very little because as you saw last week, I only used maybe a 1/4 cup of the whole mixture that I made. So this week and for the weeks to come, I plan to just use 1 batch because there should be enough for me to do for the next 3 weeks. It'll save me from remaking it all over. I've seen a few videos of people just keeping their rice water and using the leftovers every week. So I hope that that works for me. That thing just sprayed at me. I can smell it already. Ooh, it's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. It still smells like something bad, but it smells more like peppermint, so okay, gonna transfer it. So you can see I didn't put that much in there because I don't need to waste it. that's it for week 2. Hey guys, so this is week 3 rice water challenge. Did the same thing this week, shampooed with my Cream of Nature shampoo. Going to apply the rice water, then afterwards apply the deep conditioner. And that is it. Okay. So last week I saved my rice water that I prepared with the peppermint oil and everything. And this is what I have left in here for next week. I've already transferred some in here. This is what I'm going to use today. I'm not going to use that much. Week 4 of doing this. I love to experiment with things, but when it smells like this, yeah. I think the next time I use rice water, I think I will try like the orange peel thing or the orange essential oils. I think I'll probably try that because this right here, the peppermint oil is gone. Like the peppermint oil that I had in here, it's no longer working. Hey guys, welcome back. So today is February the 7th. So I started the rice water on January 11th and I did it for 3 other Mondays after that. So I did a total of 4 rice water treatments. And yeah, so this is the end of week 4. And I just wanted to show you guys what my hair was looking like, if there's any changes. Am I going to do it again? Probably. But I'm not going to do it on a weekly basis. I'm probably going to do it 1 to 2 times a month. I'm going to see how my hair feels. Let's get into the results. This is why you're here. Okay. And there you have it. This is my growth after using rice water for 4 weeks. And I think my hair grew a bit during the challenge. Comment down below, let me know if you notice any differences. But if anything, I feel like the thickness in my hair started to come back as well. My shedding after using the rice water, I feel maybe decreased about 50%, but it's still shedding. I'm still going through postpartum shedding. Do I believe that all this growth is attributed to the rice water? I don't think so, but I definitely will try it again after my postpartum shedding is complete to see if I get the same results or maybe even better. So definitely stay tuned for that. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, you know, all that good stuff. And comment down below, let me know. Have you tried rice water before? Did it work for you? Is it now a part of your regular regimen, or did you just use it once and say, yeah, I'm good? Let me know. I'm sure she's three all around. She's all around. Basically three. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.